So happy anniversary to Silya Pinoy, and congratulations to all editors, board members, FEWA officers, and of course to all Filipinos in South Korea, for you are the primary responsible of Silya Pinoy's existence. Sarap balikan yung memories na di namin alam kung paano sisimulan ang Silya Pinoy newsletter. While the three of us, former editors-in-chief Sir Rib Recania, Sir Edward Castro, at ako, while we were walking at Hewadong during winter time, no? Pero nakita kong ang desire ni Sir Rib na mag-materialize po ang first issue ng Silya Pinoy. And it happened, no, due to collaborative effort of all EPS workers and OFW volunteers, no, na nagtulong-tulong po for us to come up with the first issue of our newsletter. Until now, I have that copy with me. Ito po yun. So, congratulations to all of us. Yan, napaka-exciting po ng time na yon. Lalo na po yung mamimigay kami ng newsletter sa Hewadong. Okay? Yan. After Silya Pinoy, what came next to Ellie? Actually, I came back to what I have missed. That is teaching our young learners who have the passion in writing. And kaya naman for 3 years after Korea, I was able to produce writers who are national qualifiers. At masasabi ko na malaking factor ang aking experience sa Silya Pinoy upang mahasa at makatulong sa kapwa OFW dyan sa South Korea. At hindi lamang tayo, napatunayan natin na hindi lamang tayo 3D workers, kundi pang journalism pa. Actually, naalala ko rin, no? Nakarating po kami ng Busan at kung saan-saan pa, no? Para lang to come up with news reports, articles na related sa labor issues and concerns ng ating mga kababayan dyan sa South Korea. Nakakamiss yung mga kasama natin, no? That's why I tried to come back. Pero medyo di pinalad, maybe because of the write-ups na medyo offensive sa ating mga Korean employers, no? Especially when I applied for a certain scholarship. Pero no regret, for I believe that the article I wrote are just reflections of how our fellow Filipinos hardly work for their families despite of different labor issues. Kaya medyo ingat sa articles, ha? I have still the desire to come back, pero I really don't know. Medyo maswerte nga lang ako ngayon because I am living here sa isang place dito po sa Dasmariñas kung saan medyo ang aking mga kapitbahay ay mga Koreans at meron din ditong Korean restaurant and store. Kaya medyo na pag namimiss ang Korea, pupunta lang sa kanila. I really miss you guys, so I hope you will invite me to visit you there in Korea, to give seminar or siguro lecture on writing, and make gala in Hewadong, kain sa loteria, at gimmick sa Itiwon, joke, no? I have still with me other copies of Silya. Eto, yung iba nakatago, hindi ko na ilalabas. Ayan. So again, congratulations to Silya Pinoy, headed by Sir Noel Joseph Alvarez, and FEWA officers headed by Sir Bench Del Mundo. And to all Filipinos, yung mga kasamahan namin na nandyan pa rin sa Korea at walang sawang tumutulong sa ating mga kababayan dyan, no? Who keep on fighting for the truth and for the loved ones here in the Philippines. Miss you guys.